Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LinkedIn Live event tools and delete test streams, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall LinkedIn Live event tools, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Me icon at the top right corner of the home page. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Privacy tab. Scroll down to find the LinkedIn Live section. Click on Change next to LinkedIn Live. You will see the option to disable or uninstall the LinkedIn Live event tools. Select the option to disable these tools. Confirm your choice when prompted. Next, to delete test streams, return to your LinkedIn homepage. Click on the work icon in the top right corner. Find and select LinkedIn Live from the list of tools. Access the section where your test streams are stored. Locate the test stream you wish to delete. Click on the three dots or the More option next to the test stream. Choose Delete from the drop-down menu. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Repeat this process for any additional test streams you want to remove. Once completed, refresh your page to ensure all changes are saved. You have now successfully uninstalled the LinkedIn Live event tools and deleted test streams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.